Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Italian ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Felice. Welcome to the 2000 Core Italian Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice and review what you have learned. Okay, let's get started. First is alto, tall, alto, alto, tall, ragazzo alto, tall boy, ragazzo alto, snello, slim, snello, snello, slim, vita snella, slim waist, vita snella, corporatura, body type, corporatura, corporatura, body type. Ha una corporatura molto rotonda. He has a very round body type. Ha una corporatura molto rotonda. Linea. Figure. Linea. Linea. Figure. Bella linea. Nice figure. Bella linea. Grosso. Thick. Grosso. Grosso. Thick. È alto e grosso. He's tall and thick. È alto e grosso. Magro. Thin. Magro. Magro. Thin. La donna è magra. The woman is thin. La donna è magra. Saliva. 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 Quando vedo del cibo che mi piace, mi si forma la saliva in bocca. When I see food I like, saliva builds in my mouth. Quando vedo del cibo che mi piace, mi si forma la saliva in bocca. Piangere. Cry. Piangere. Piangere. Cry. La donna sta piangendo. The woman is crying. La donna sta piangendo. Lacrima. tear. Lacrima. Lacrima. Tear. Lacrime di gioia. Tears of joy. Lacrime di gioia. Brufolo. Pimple. Brufolo. Brufolo. Pimple. Brufolo sul naso. Pimple on the nose. Brufolo sul naso. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Italian, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say tall, alto, alto, and how to say slim, snello, snello? What about body type? Corporatura, corporatura. Do you remember how to say figure, linea, linea? And let's try thick. Grosso, grosso. What about thin? Magro, magro. Now, let's see if you remember how to say saliva, saliva, saliva. Another one. What about cry? Piangere, piangere. Do you remember how to say tear? Lacrima, lacrima. And finally, do you remember how to say pimple? Brufolo, brufolo. Well done! See you next time! A presto!